صورنا
نعم
صورنا
نعم
اوكي
هذا جميل جدا.
unboxing اللابتوب.
Now. Dear audience, you can see here how to unbox the laptop. Yani how to open backside the laptop. This is an amazing laptop, and it is HP screen touch. Actually, they are helping me to ensure how to increase the RAM. So if you want to increase your RAM, you can open the laptop like this, and look at this. It's not very difficult, it's very easy. Oh, so look at this here.
hard SSD.
Oh, this is SSD.
hard, yeah.
Oh,
2 slots.
Oh,
for RAM.
2 slots,
You can
yeah.
upgrade it.
look at this. I finally
You
get
can
the
upgrade the RAM and the hard disk.
So
Hard disk item.
You can upgrade it.
Oh, okay, look at this. It's very wonders. Amazing.
2 fan
Yes.
for air.
Oh, that's great. Awesome. So if I want to increase more,
More RAM, like 8
yeah.
or 16 RAM.
16.
You want it 16.
Yeah, like
Actually, I am a teacher.
750 pound to be 16 RAM. هو أصلا 8 صح؟
Oh.
Yeah,
أنا مدرس أونلاين قرآن.
good.
لهذا السبب أنا أريد هذا. يعني متى أنا يعني
فرق 750 جنيه.
Storage good.
700.
256 جيجا. 250 gigabyte is good storage. But the RAM you need to upgrade it like for 16 RAM.
I have SSD, but not this type.
Yeah, the old one.
Old one. Oh, that is not
2.5
ممكن.
inch? No.
No, that's the newer one.
Only new version.
NVMe.
Okay.
So if you need to increase the memory of the RAM, okay,
Yes,
no
yes.
problem.
So can I do the graphics work here?
Yeah.
Any
Yeah,
like
Adobe Photoshop Illustrator.
any graphics? Don't we any don't it produce heat a lot?
No, not it for all,
Rendering,
don't run it like for all day working on the laptop.
Ah,
You need
need
like
rest.
PC.
Need rest.
Yeah,
Take
PC